This new year and Sankranti, get ready for innovation. Chaitanya Elite School, Chilkaluripet proudly welcomes you to the biggest ever tech fest. Celebrate tradition with technology and learning with innovation. Join us and be a part of a spectacular journey into the world of tomorrow.
The event welcomes students from various schools across Chilkaluripeta, encouraging inter-school interaction, collaboration and knowledge sharing.
This Winter Robotics event plants the seeds of an AI-driven future where our students grow as thinkers, creators and problem solvers. Join us to our event.
Only at Chaitanya Elite School, Chilkaluripet.